Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Jack and I'm with Northwest Bus Sales. Today I'm going to be showing you a 2006 Bluebird All-American. Alrighty then. This said 2006 Bluebird All-American. This is a full-size 78-passenger school bus. Equipped with underfloor storage. 2 pods on the passenger side, 1 pod on the driver's side. Get to that in a little bit. First, we're gonna come on inside. So first things first, we got green flooring, green ribbed aisleway, stepway, white step nosing, some grab rails on the sides here. You're gonna start with the driver area, going from right to left. You got your Allison B34115 transmission shift pad here, your rear heaters, defrost, and your driver heat well. 82,000 miles, 82,725. Bus got a lot of life left on it. Over here you got your dome switches, fans, strobe lights, on-spot chains, and then your power mirrors there as well. Up top we got a AM/FM CD stereo with a switch for internal and external speakers. I believe there's 1 external speaker in the front there if you need to do so. And I will show you the back. So in the back here we got a green school bus bench style seating. These have green vinyl seat covers. From first glance, seat covers look great. No rips, cuts, and tears, anything like that. I mean, normal wear and tear, but there's not like foam sticking out or big holes, graffiti on the back or anything. You can see what I'm talking about. I'll give you a little pan here. Up top we got some speakers zigzagging their way down the aisle, and we also have 2 emergency exit hatches up top, as well as dome lights going down both sides as well. Alright, so underneath, gonna show you, this is your front passenger side tire here. A little view of the undercarriage. Then here is your underfloor storage pod on the passenger side. Here is your rear passenger side duals as well. There's your on-spot chains right there. Give you a nice little pan of the undercarriage. Come on the back here. This is powered by the Caterpillar C7 7.2 liter turbo diesel engine. Alright, making our way around here, your rear driver's side duals. There's your other underfloor storage pod on the driver's side. There we go. So 1 pod on the driver's side, 2 pods on the passenger side. And last but not least, here is your front driver's side tire tread. Well, thank you for watching this Northwest Bus Sales exclusive video tour. If you like this bus or any other buses in our lot, you can call us at 1-800-231-7099. Visit us at nwbus.com or email us sales@nwbus.com. Thank you very much for watching.